How to get 20% off SHEIN coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in SHEIN coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is a legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for SHEIN. Once you're on this website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 20% off, 35% off, 90% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you will get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on Redeem at SHEIN. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase and proceed to checkout. While you are on the checkout page, you will find the section of codes. Over there, type in the code and confirm your purchase. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for SHEIN. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily get up to 20% off SHEIN coupon codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.